Welcome to our channel. If you've forgotten your Gmail password and need to recover it, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of recovering your Gmail account. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign-in page at www.gmail.com. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you reach the sign-in page, enter your email address and click on Next. When prompted for your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Step 3. Enter your last password. Google will ask you to enter the last password you remember. If you can recall any, go ahead and enter it. If not, click Try Another Way. Step 4. Verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, Google will offer you different ways to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the prompts. Step 5. Get the verification code. If you choose to receive a code via SMS or email, check your phone or email account for the verification code. Enter this code in the provided field and click Next. Step 6. Reset your password. Once your identity has been verified, Google will prompt you to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong, secure password that you haven't used before. Confirm your new password and click Next. Step 7. Sign in with your new password. After successfully resetting your password, you will be redirected to the Gmail login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created to access your account. Step 8. Review your recovery information. Once logged in, consider reviewing your recovery options to ensure that you can regain access to your account if you forget your password again in the future. Update your recovery phone number and email if necessary. Remember to bookmark this video for future reference and keep your new password stored securely. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Thank you for watching.